Hello friends, the word in this video is fortitude. Fortitude. Fortitude means courage in pain or adversity. Fortitude. She showed great fortitude while fighting her long and difficult illness. And the antonyms of fortitude are cowardice, weakness, timidity. He hid behind his friends during the confrontation out of pure cowardice. Lifting heavy weights helped him overcome the physical weakness in his legs. You must overcome your timidity if you want to succeed as a public speaker. Fortitude. Fortitude means courage in pain or adversity. The antonyms or the opposites of fortitude are cowardice, weakness, timidity. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's Pronunciation for more videos.